Hotep, I am the Amen Osiris, the one and only undisputed God of law. We are Deception Stoppers, America's only 4D education service. I am the 4D destroyer. I am not a lawyer. This is not a law firm. We do not advocate that you don't support your human offspring. We simply advocate that you made them in private and take care of them in private. And I got this email from Jeremy Schaefer. Thank you, Jeremy. I appreciate this. And he put this link in here, and I read it, and I found it to be very interesting. But not only is the article interesting, but what he asked for is 100% constitutional under Iowa law. Okay, let's dive into this. It says Kansas man who sought trial by combat now wants his ex-wife evaluated. Okay. All right, this was posted May 15th, 2020, all right, which was, I believe, Friday. All right, it says Harlan, Iowa. A Kansas man who sought legal permission in Iowa to engage in a sword fight with his ex-wife is not insane, but merely angry over their custody arrangement, according to a psychological evaluation. Now, let's look at Iowa Constitution. Right here, all right, here it is right here, Article 1, Bill of Rights, okay? Dueling, Section 5, says any citizen of this state who may hereafter be engaged either directly or indirectly in a duel, excuse me, either as a principal or accessory before the fact, shall forever be disqualified from holding any office under the Constitution and laws of this state. All right, state, excuse me. So what that means is now that he didn't engage in a duel, but he sought legal permission to do one. Okay? So it says David Ostrom of Paola, Kansas, asked in a January 3rd court filing to be allowed to fight his former wife, Bridget Ostrom of Harlan, Iowa, and her attorney, Matthew Hudson, so he can render their souls from their bodies. That's what I'm talking about. The Ostroms have been embroiled in disputes over custody and visitation issues and property tax payments. An Iowa judge responded by temporarily suspending Ostrom's child visitation and ordering the evaluation. Okay, how can you order an evaluation for something that's legal? All right, these judges are crooked as fuck. Okay, you have a constitutional right, according to Iowa, to duel. It is not against the law, and here it is right here. Okay, so that judge was dead wrong. Okay, now, more importantly, wait a minute. It is found he is not troubled, but has adjustment disorder with mixed emotional features. Ostrom told the Des Moines Register. It essentially says, I'm not crazy, I just don't like being denied access to my children, he said. Ostrom asked the court to order psychological evaluation of his ex-wife and her attorney, according to a motion filed Friday. Ostrom, who is representing himself in court, also filed a second motion Friday asking for parenting time with his children and that he be reimbursed of $47.65 in legal fees, $2,200 for the psychological evaluation. The motion also seeks $255,000 for emotional damages. Neither Bridget Ostrom or her attorney responded to the registrar's request for comment. David Ostrom had previously told the register that he filed his trial by combat motion to get media attention for his case. Great fucking job, David. Okay? Gentlemen, it is at the point now where you gotta go, it's getting to the point this man, I applaud him. I respect him. Okay, and he's not to be trifled with. Okay, he went about it the right way. All right, he looked in the Constitution, and obviously he knew this. All right, dueling in Iowa, according to their Constitution, is legal, and he sought legal permission. He said, "All right, I want to take these motherfuckers' lives." He said it. I want to render their souls from their bodies. That was the whole purpose of him asking permission for a duel. All right? That didn't make him crazy. All right? It made him constitutional. All right? And then the crooked ass judge ordered him to have a psychological evaluation. Well, how are you going to order somebody to have a psychological evaluation? And that's loud. He really didn't have to have permission. He literally didn't have to have it. He already has it within the Constitution. Right here, like I said, dueling. I'll read it again. Any citizen of the state who may hereafter be engaged either directly or indirectly in a duel, all right, you can duel in Iowa. All right. I don't know if you ever seen the old movies, but when someone wanted to duel with someone else, they would take off their glove and slap them in the face, right? Pat, pat. And they say, I challenge you to a duel. So at that juncture, all right, he had the legal right, which is still legal, okay? It's under the Bill of Rights in Iowa to slap somebody in the face with your glove and tell them you want to have a duel. Now, so he did all this, obviously, he knew it wasn't going to happen, but he did this to obtain media attention to his case, which he did get. All right, so the next step that if you want some more attention, all right, start getting media attention, gentlemen. All right, start if things aren't going the way that you want, somehow, some way, like I said, you're going to get yourself some media attention, get a public outcry. Case in point, the brother who got killed down in Georgia by them two rednecks, right? Them rednecks did not get arrested until 23 days later. And the reason they got arrested is because of the public outcry, media pressure. Okay, if it wasn't for the media, them rednecks would still be running around, probably doing the same bullshit, and getting away with it. Okay, now you got prosecutors' heads on the chopping block as well. All right, so do what needs to be done, fellas. All right, if you want to challenge somebody to a duel, if you're in Iowa, by all means do so. Now you'll have to. I think there's only a couple other states that actually allow this. All right, but more important, this man took steps. Okay, he took steps. What steps are you willing to take for your freedom? Now, it doesn't say anything in here about child support. Okay, and we do get a lot of emails that are from men that are basically not allowed to see their offspring. For you to have to go and ask some stranger permission to see your offspring, and then that stranger telling you we're not going to give you permission, that motherfucker needs to be challenged to a duel as well. Okay? You need to start hunting these fools down and start scalping their asses, fellas. I'm telling you. Okay? You need help? Bang my email, 4d_destroyer@yahoo.com. All right. I wish I had this man's email address. I'd send him something. You know what I mean? To help him out, because what he did was just phenomenal, and I really respect it, and I hope you do too. Okay. So, brothers in Iowa, you can legally challenge anybody you want to a duel. All right, you can challenge a judge to a duel, prosecuting attorney, the 4D crime boss. You can challenge anybody you want to a duel, which means if you can challenge them to a duel, it's legal for you to carry a sword around. All right, so gentlemen, it's time. How bad do you want your freedom? What are you willing to sacrifice for it? Okay. How bad do you want to see your offspring and spend time with them? What are you willing to sacrifice for it? Okay. If that's the case, we should start snatching their offspring and making them beg permission to see their offspring, because that's really what they're doing. That is parental alienation. As a matter of fact, I have a video on my community channel, on my YouTube channel, the community section, where a woman was, I think she was given a year and a half plus all these fines for parental alienation. Right? Every state has statutes about parental alienation. So if you're being alienated from your offspring, start filing charges. Okay? It's not that hard, and it's quite simple. Handle your business. In this case, he's handling his business. All right? I hope he chops that bitch's head off and her fucking lawyer. I'm Yaman Osiris. I saw this email. I'm actually supposed to be on vacation right now, but I saw this email, and I had to do a little quick piece on this, because I found it, I just found it to be as real as it gets. All right. I'll post the link the link is posted in the description box. If you live in Iowa, all right, I'll also post the Iowa Constitution there. All right, handle your business. Start calling these fuckers out for a duel. Just make sure that your sword skills are up to par. All right, before you go out there, you don't want to get chopped up. The objectivity is to stop to scout these fuckers. Hotep.